I'm sorry. So it's totally over?
He said he knew it was wrong from the start.
For a whole year?
I know, right? How could you do that to someone?
I knew it. I never liked that depressive asshole.
I don't know what to do. Come on in.
You just lose yourself to these men for long periods of time, only to get hurt in the end.
I should just be a slut.
Well, maybe, but then you'd have genital warts like Astrid.
Ew.
Or you could stop being a chameleon. Stop changing yourself to placate the men in your life.
I know I do that.
It's not attractive, and you only get hurt.
I know I do.
Stop working on that piece of shit Frederick was having you do.
Thanks.
Claire, it's dumb. It's not something you do. You're 10 times the artist he is.
I don't know anymore. I'm getting a wine headache.
Just take 3 months, focus on your artwork. No dating. Go on a man fast.
It would be nice not to think about it all the time, you know?
3 months. It'll be Christmas. It'll be like a Christmas gift to yourself.
No, I know you're right. I need to start working on that commission.
Right. Wait, commission? Is that the show at Jackson and Peggy's?
I'm not doing that anymore. I got commissioned to do a piece on that new building downtown.
That's great.
It's money guaranteed. The gallery would be, but no one's buying portraiture.
All I know is you're here to paint and let others do your work. Listen, I love you. I gotta run. Should I come over tonight?
Okay. That's okay.
Well, feel better, all right? Oh, and talk to Jackson and Peggy about letting me have your spot at the Met.
All right. Love you too. Bye.
Grab the paint.
Thanks for having an adventure with me.
Don't mention it. How's today?
Today's a good.
Good.
I'm really looking forward to being single. Not just single, but like monastically single, like a monk.
Remember, just focus on you. You.
Me. I know what this building needs.
What?
Me.
What?
Come with me. Take pictures.
What?
Take pictures.
Take pictures. Right.
Smile.
Huh?
Smile for the camera.
Where? How did you get in here?
I have a pass.
Who are you?
I'm one of the artists hired to do a commission work for this building.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just here taking some photos. Who are you?
Yeah, I'm the architect.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, this building is beautiful.
Thank you. I'm very proud.
You should be.
Claire! Claire!
I mean, it's a little more modern than postmodern, but it's still organic. It breathes. Has a flow.
Yeah.
Sorry, that was really pretentious.
No, please don't stop.
I think I heard it in a movie once.
Don't be sorry. I just felt a draft, but now I know it's just my building breathing.
Nice.
No, really. I'm impressed. And thanks for noticing that it breathes. Seriously.
Run away! Good looking man, your bow, remember?
What? Are you Claire?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember seeing the materials you sent in. And your website. Everybody really loved your stuff.
Really?
Yeah. They thought it really breathed with this organic flow. No, seriously, it was quite beautiful.
Thank you.
Excuse me, but you know that woman?
Yeah, she's a friend of mine.
Is she epileptic?
No. Probably just concerned.
Right.
Run away! Run away! Fuck it.
Listen, I should probably go.
Claire, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Likewise, architect.
I'm sure we'll see each other again soon.
Yeah. Bye.